Welcome. This video covers how to view log and accident data. To view log data, first select Safety and then Log Data and Collisions from your toolbar options. You'll need to select your date period and the vehicle you wish to run the data for. Please keep in mind that this will typically generate a lot of data, so it may be easier to run this for a shorter period of time if able. You also have the option to use the custom option where you can specify the data you want down to a matter of a few minutes. If the vehicle you need the data for is already archived, then you'll want to make sure that you select yes for this first option. From here, we should be able to see all the logs that were generated for the date, time, and the vehicle that we specified. The GPS records will appear in green, while any other status data will appear in white. In the event that there was any sort of accident or collision, that would appear in red. You also have the option to filter out this data even further by using the sort button at the top of your screen, where you can sort it by vehicle, reason, and/or record type. If you wish to view the specifics in the map view of any of this log data, you can do so by clicking on the location marker icon on the right-hand side, which takes you to this different view. That's all we have for this one. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next video.